Hi, and welcome to the 7th section, Plug and Play with Plugins. Previously, we saw how to create forms with the Form API. In this section, we will learn how to create blocks using Plugin, and then we will create a custom field type. After that, we will learn how to create a custom field type widget, and then we will move on to creating a custom field formatter. In the end, we will also see how to create a custom plugin type. Let's move on to the video. Now we will see the first video of Section 7, Creating Blocks Using Plugins. In this video, we will define a block that will display a copyrighted snippet and the current year, and place it into the footer region. In Drupal, a block is a piece of content that can be placed in a region provided by a theme. Blocks are used to present specific kinds of content, such as a user login form, a snippet of text, and many more. Blocks are configuration entities, and the block module uses the Drupal plugin system as a way to define blocks for modules. Custom blocks are defined in the PHP code in the module's plugin class namespace. Each class in the plugin block namespace will be discovered by the block module's plugin manager. So, we will create a new module and refer this module as MyModule throughout this section. So, use your module's appropriate name. Now, let's see how to do it. Go back to your folder, and inside My Module folder, create the source directory, which I've already created. Inside this folder, create a plugin directory. Inside the plugin directory, create another directory named as block. This will translate to /Drupal/mymodule/plugin/block namespace and allow a block plugin discovery. Here we will create a file copyright, PHP at this folder, so that we can define copyright class for our block. So open this file. The copyright class will extend /Drupal/core/block/blockbase . Here we extend the blockbase class, which implements /Drupal/core/block/block plugin interface and provides us with an implementation of nearly all of its methods. Blocks are annotated plugins. Annotated plugins use the documentation blocks to provide details of the plugin. We will provide the block's identifier, administrative label, and category. So, the annotation document block of the class identifies the type of plugin through @block. Drupal will parse this and initiate the plugin with the properties defined inside. The ID is the internal machine name. The admin_label is displayed on the block listing page, and category shows up in the block select list. Here, we need to provide a build method to satisfy the /Drupal/core/block/block plugin interface. This creates the output which is to be displayed. The build method returns a render array that uses Drupal's t function to substitute @year for the /datetime object's output that is formatted as a full year. Since PHP 5.4, a warning will be displayed if you have not explicitly set a time zone in your PHP's configuration. So now, save this file and close it, and go back to your Drupal website. Then rebuild Drupal's cache so that the new plugin can be discovered. Go back to your structure, and then click Block Layout. Then scroll down till you find the footer 4th region and click on Place Block. Review the block list and add the custom block to your regions. For instance, the footer region. Find the copyright block and click on Place Block. Uncheck the Display Title checkbox so that only our block's content can be rendered. After this, click on Save Block. Now review the copyright statement that will always keep the year dynamic. To view that, go back to your website and scroll down to find your copyright block with your company name. Great! We learned how to create a block using Plugin. Hope you enjoyed watching this video.